you like our video, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more. This is crowded and it's amazing. Some stupid is screaming. It may take 5 to 10 minutes to reset. If your phone is very slow, you can see there is the option of 4 angles. Okay, let's start. If you have Wi-Fi, then connect or select a network, or you can skip it. Tap continue. If you don't connect with Wi-Fi, then you can't edit it Google account or etc. You can edit it later. Now give your date and time. September. Okay, time and date is everything is okay. Tap next. Okay. Tap accept. You can, if you wish, you can turn on the user experience program, and you can also turn on send diagnostic data automatically. Tap next and continue. You can press pattern. Yes. Next. Oops. Now you have to give your finger, but I am giving this letter. Just a sec. Next. Tap. Your phone is successfully resetted. If you like our video, please give a like. If you don't like our video, give a unlike. If you please subscribe our video. I'm sorry, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks.